All right, this is Carnival Magic Ocean Suite 7244 room tour. And we're gonna walk right in. And immediately behind, you'll see it does have the slot for the lights. You have a light switch. You've got your handy dandy map and where your muster station is. And this one is A3, which is the Showtime Theater, Deck 3. We're gonna walk right in. Sorry, it's like the last day of the cruise. We forgot to take a room tour earlier, but as you can see, we have a European plug and a standard plug. So bring your adapters. You've got a nice little desk area, plenty of drawers and mirrors and lights. You got 4 drawers here. The top one, of course, has your not so great hair dryer, but it works. We also have a closet here, our dirty laundry, 4 shelves, and of course your life vest. And then on the other side, because it's a suite, you have robes. You got shelves up top, hangies, and a place for your shoes down below. So we'll go into the bathroom. The bathroom in here is really nice. It's a dual sink bathroom, as you can see. Down below will house extra toilet paper as well as your tissues. Plenty of storage in this bathroom, as you can see. You got the dual vanity. You've got a shaving mirror up here, or pluck your eyebrows, whatever. And a bunch of shelves, big mirror, plenty of towels in this bathroom, your toilet, and a nice jetted tub if you wanted to use that. Of course here, because it's a suite, you have the Elemis bath and shower gel as well as conditioning shampoo, and of course a shower curtain in these old ships instead of the doors, but that's okay. It works quite well. There is a stool for this little desk, which can be brought out into the main cabin if you wanted to. You got the nice wood floors. To the right here is a mirror and another desk area. We've got some storage below that you can see we didn't even use. You got a little desk area as well as your mini fridge, just a cooler actually. And another drawer, of course. Lots of stuff. And oh, the outlets, yes. So again, European outlet as well as 2 120s over here, but if you have an adapter, that'll take up most of the space. Lots of shelving, lights, as you can see. And then we have this lovely couch here, which does convert to a sofa bed. A nice chair and a little storage over here. We got the lamp here that has 2 USBs, and then over to the other side there's a lamp on each side of this bed, both USBs, not USB-C, so just keep that in mind. Tons of storage, nice king size bed here, which can be converted into 2 twins if needed. Over here we got a kind of small TV for the room, but it does the job. And then of course some more storage below, and then we got 4 drawers. Very nice. And then in the upper right here, you can actually see we have 2 things plugged in, these little extra, I don't know if they're supposed to be showing, but 2 extra outlets. And then below that is the safe. As you can see here, you have the safe.
Not a microwave.
Not a microwave. And then more closets, hanging closets, storage below. And then on the side, you got your extra pillows, storage, and then there's room under the bed to store your suitcase. The best part, of course, is the balcony.
We're about to test the fuzzy.
We're going to test the fuzzy microphone. So, nice balcony out here. Oh, it's misty.
Yep.
We got 2 chairs and a table. And then you can see there's a lounger on this side. So let me go to the very end. You can see how much space you actually have. It's pretty wide. Overlooks, though, just so you know, deck 5, the little outside lanai there. So not directly into the water.
Look at the mist.
And you can see the mist. But it's good. It's a great size balcony. So hope you enjoyed this room tour.